Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing another LL Bean bag. This is another rucksack bag. I will link in the description my previous review of a carbon navy rucksack. So this is the same bag, it's just a different color. So let's open up this packaging. It's a little bit dented, but I hope the bag is okay. So I got this bag on sale. It's normally $129, but I got it for $116. And let's see. Here's the bag. So what I like about LL Bean bags is that they stand behind their product. So when you receive your bag, they will include this piece of paper. It's complimentary return label. So if you do not like the item, or for any reason defect, or if you just don't like the style, you can exchange it. They have a form for that. So that is really nice. This is what the bag looks like. So this is called the rucksack. Let's check out the features of this bag. I really like the color. It's a brown. This brown is like a Carhartt brown. It's like a classic color. And then the edges are gray. So if you check out the LL Bean website, they have 4 colors in the rucksack. Carbon navy, which I have reviewed previously, and then there's an olive green, and then there is another one that's kind of unusual color, like an orange with a green. So this is what I picked. It's called Saddle. So what I like about this rucksack bag is there is no zippers. It's all this snap closures with a cover, so it protects your stuff when it rains. It's adjustable as well, so you can adjust it here. Let me just okay. This. So you can adjust this piece here, so you can make this flap longer or shorter. So let's check out the main compartment. So the main compartment, you have this, like, I think this is like a key holder or whatever, keychain holder. So this is pretty long. You can adjust it. On the inside of the compartment, there's this laptop, a laptop compartment here. It's just a stretchy top, and then there's this H2O. I think there might be an H2O. There you go. This is for your water. And really, the inside is just a big compartment. There's not a lot of accessories. There's no hidden pockets. Just this little pocket over here, and then this is a big compartment where you could put all your stuff. It's also made of like a nylon waterproof material on the inside, which I like. So on the inside, that's all. On the outside, let's check out the compartments here. So here's another pocket. Let's close this down. So this pocket is another flap, so you protect your gears in the rain. There is a mesh pocket here too. There's actually 2 mesh pockets here. There's a divider here in the middle. Let me see if I can zoom this in so you can see better. So as you can see, there's a divider here, 1, 2. There's another key fob or key ring. You could put your keys here. And this is a pretty big compartment. So you can see you could fit your phone, battery pack. So, and then there's their logo over here. Let's check out the side pockets. Let's check out the bottom. So the bottom also is adjustable. So if you have more stuff inside, you could open this, make it bigger. So it's, and then this is one of the pockets on the side. So it has 2 pockets like this. So on this side, let's check out this. So there is a pocket. So as you can see, there is a pocket here for like a quick storage of your like a candy bar, or you could also put your phone in there. But then there is this storage again for something that you want to keep safe. This is actually pretty big. As you can see, you could put like a water bottle here, and it's also a waterproof material. And there's the flap, which is nice. So, and you got 2 of those, one on each side. As you can see here. There, on each side. So that is basically the front. So another pocket here, and then on the back, you got this zipper over here on the top. Oops, I didn't see that. So you got a zipper over here to put your, and it has like a this like a flannel kind of material, so you could put your sunglasses or your phones. And it's pretty big. As you can see, I can put my hands in there. It's pretty deep. It goes all the way up here. So I can put some coins. And then the back. So this is the back part. So you got this. So that's, there you go. So that's the waist. This is the waist strap. Let me put it nicely. And then here's this curved backpack strap with a mesh on the back. You can see mesh over here as well to help with heat when you're hiking. So, and this is adjustable as well. I'm not going to remove it because they've arranged it pretty nicely, but you can adjust the straps. There's this chest sternum strap as well. You could adjust. Let's see if I could push the sternum strap up. See, you could go. So for the sternum strap, you can pull it up all the way, I think up to here, because this one is stitched. So you could pull up the sternum strap all the way here, halfway. And what else do we have? I think that's pretty much it. It's a really nice bag. It's not too big. You can take it for like a carry-on backpack if you go on a trip, like in the airplane. So that is our unboxing for today for this LL Bean rucksack. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.